When we want to remove a record from a table, we use delete command. This is the syntax for the delete command, and as you see, it's very simple. Delete from the table name and then the condition. In this video, we'll be talking about this command and how we can use it in our real projects. Here I'm using MySQL tutorials database, and I have a table called students. And these are the records in this table. And let's say that this last one is the row that we want to delete. In this case, we type delete from students, the name of the table, and then directly the condition where ID equals 9. It will remove the ID 9 record from the table, and if I do select again, the record ID 9 doesn't exist anymore. This easy, we can delete one or more rows from our table. Now there's something to talk about here. If I do describe students here, you see that the ID field is auto increment. It means that if we push some data into this table and we don't mention any record for the ID field, MySQL server will be generating IDs after IDs for this specific field by itself. Since we deleted the record with ID 9 and we didn't reset the auto increment number, the next ID that is generated by MySQL is 10. It means that if we push some data into it, MySQL will generate IDs from 10. It will jump from 8 to 10 since we have removed the ID 9 and we didn't reset the auto increment number for this table. In some cases, we are keen about the IDs and we want all of them to exist and be sorted correctly. In those cases, when we delete a record or some records, we need to reset the auto increment number to that specific number. So after we insert new data into it, the correct number will be generated by MySQL. In this case, we need to use the alter command this way. Alter table, and then the name of the table, students in this case, and this time instead of add, remove, or modify column, we need to do auto increment. And simply we type the number that we want to set for the table. And this easy, we can reset the auto increment number for a specific table. This was a little small trick about deleting the records and setting auto increment numbers if you want to use that.